My name is Franklin Graves II. I'm a blacksmith of Martinsburg, West Virginia, owner of Rockdale Forge Ironworks. Traditionally, blacksmiths were the old metal shops, welding shops of yesterday. They made all the various items, including nails, hinges, utensils, anything necessary in a community, such as Martinsburg way back in the day. As a child, you'd watch somebody drive a nail. It wasn't too exciting, but I wanted to be the person that made that nail. There was just a romance about it, the fire, the smoke, the magic that seemed to happen on the face of the anvil. My father was a history buff. He had a love of working with his hands and architecture and old historic houses. Most people had fathers that worked on old cars, and mine loved working on old houses. And that love became part of mine and became this. Today our shop doesn't look as much like the old shops, but the principle's pretty much the same. I love to see people work with their hands, and it's something I regret to see this country falling away from. Sometimes I feel like we're museum pieces or animals at the zoo, because the days of the backyard businesses are just gone. Nowadays, blacksmithing is mainly an art trade. There is some call as far as reproduction items and that, but believe it or not, there's a lot more of us around than what people realize. I love pursuing the art that I'm doing. I love the fellowship I have with my fellow blacksmiths and friends that do this trade. We get together for hammer-ins. As long as I have my forge, my anvil, my heat, and my trailer to pull my items to shows, I'm happy with that.